Okay.
So do you guys want to dispute this
Nick, will you
charge?
double check with Terrence to see if he approved it?
No, he didn't approve it. He tell me that.
Okay, yeah, tell Terrence that we're handling it.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am, it's a fake charge. Just tell your bank to dispute the charge.
Hey, Nick, will you tell Terrence he doesn't need to talk? It's a little bit too much on the phone right now if he's talking.
Just tell your bank to dispute the charge.
Okay, Eric, would you please dispute the charge?
All right, let me go ahead and check with the fraudulent department regarding this.
Nick, tell Eric to... Nick, can you please tell Terrence to tell Eric to cancel it?
Somebody's so sleepy.
Level 3 technician better than us. Nick,
I'm
tell
just
Terrence to tell
sleepy.
Eric that we need to cancel that.
Yeah, let me speak.
Just one person at one time. So should I speak? I don't know what's going on.
Amidst the chaos, they're starting to get a little suspicious.
Well, I'm just saying, I need to cancel
I
it,
am
I guess.
sleepy.
I don't know if Terrence understands better.
Please,
Yeah.
please listen to me. Please
You're
listen
such
to
a
me.
good
I'm trying
boy.
to explain you. Listen to me.
You're such
Ma'am,
a
do you need my
good boy.
help or not? Just tell me one thing.
Yeah.
I will just disconnect this
Do you
call.
like snuggling with your daddy?
I just need you to cancel it.
Yeah.
This
You're
is
such a
not
good
way.
snuggler.
I got off on the wrong
You're
foot.
such a little snuggle muffin.
Now, just
Would you tell
Yeah.
Terrence to tell
Oh,
Eric
you
what's
like
going
to
on with that lady?
snuggle.
should I
Oh.
proceed with the
Bye,
explaining you? Please
babies.
do not interrupt